Want to know how to use Microsoft OneDrive? You've landed on the right video. In this video, we'll show you how to store, share, and sync your files using Microsoft OneDrive. By the end of this video tutorial, you'll be able to use OneDrive like a pro. Also, we have some great tips and surprises in store for you, so stick with us till the end and don't go anywhere. Oh, and one more thing. During the past few months, we have ranked, rated, and reviewed all the best cloud storage services available out there, including Google Drive, OneDrive, iDrive, Dropbox, pCloud, Mega, and iCedrive. Right now, we believe pCloud is the best of the bunch. With its frill of awesome features, unbreakable encryption, easy-to-use clients, and competitive pricing, there is no doubt in our minds that pCloud is the best cloud storage service money can buy at the moment. Also, the good news is that the CyberLab viewers can get a special 65% discount on pCloud. All you have to do is click the official link we have added in the description box down below, and this discount will be automatically applied. But keep in mind that this offer is only available for a limited time, so hurry up. By the way, which cloud storage service is your favorite and why? Let us know in the comments down below. Now, back to the OneDrive tutorial. Microsoft OneDrive is one of the most popular cloud storage services in the world. With it, you can store all of your important files and documents, including encrypted ones. You can access them anytime and anywhere or share the access with a colleague or partner. Even better, OneDrive has seamless integration with all of the productivity apps native to the Microsoft suite, such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and others. This video will show you how to use OneDrive, step by step. The first thing you need to do is to sign up. If you already use any of Microsoft productivity and communications apps, such as Outlook and Skype, you can already use OneDrive. Signing into the Microsoft suite works the same way as the Google suite. One account for everything Microsoft. If you don't have an account because you haven't used Microsoft, then no worries. Click the official link we have provided in the description box down below and register with your email address. It can be any email, Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, or whatever. It doesn't matter. Just make sure the email you use is a valid one, as you will have to verify your new Microsoft account via a link that will be sent to that email address. Create your password and make sure that it is as secure as possible. After verifying your account, you can proceed with OneDrive itself. Now, here's the thing. If you use a PC running Windows 10, then you should know that the OneDrive desktop app comes pre-installed. If you click on the arrow at the bottom right of the taskbar, you'll find the OneDrive icon. Click on it, and if you don't have an account, follow the process described earlier. You can decide to use only the desktop app rather than opening your browser every time. Whatever means you choose is fine. If you use a Mac, you can also download the desktop app if it's more convenient for you to use.
But first, I want to thank Hornet Security for sponsoring this video. Hornet Security offers 365 total protection, which seamlessly integrates with Microsoft Cloud services, especially Microsoft 365, to provide comprehensive protection for Microsoft Cloud services. It's easy to set up and use, and you can even take the product for a spin free of charge, without any obligations. So check out hornetsecurity.com for all your Microsoft 365 security requirements. Now, back to the video.
Now that you've completed the registration process, let's jump right into OneDrive, shall we? OneDrive has a really simple, easy-to-use interface. The combination of blue and white is easy on the eye. Feel free to play around and discover the limits of OneDrive's functionality, but we'll be taking it nice and slow for this video. If you click on the dotted square icon at the top left corner of the app, you will see how OneDrive integrates the entire Microsoft suite. If you already use Microsoft 360 paid plan, you can efficiently work your documents, sheets, and presentations across different platforms in the suite, sharing, editing, and granting access as you please. It is a very convenient arrangement. You will find links to OneNote, Excel, PowerPoint, Teams, To-Do, Outlook, and the rest in the dropdown. On the same dashboard, you can just click on the My Files link. This page opens by default when you log onto your OneDrive. Here you can find the files you have uploaded for safekeeping on the cloud. If you have just created a Microsoft account, you should know that OneDrive offers free storage totaling 5 GB. As long as you have not upgraded to any of the premium or business plans, then you're automatically on the free plan. You can confirm this by checking on the bottom left of the blue dashboard. There, the Go Premium link will take you to a page where you can choose from one of OneDrive's many paid plans. Just beneath the Go Premium link is a small icon where you can see just how much of the free 5 GB space is left for you to use. At the top left corner of the My Files page, you'll see two links, New and Upload. With New, you can create new folders as well as documents of any kind with the suite. If you're using a browser, clicking on the link to create a new document will open a new tab. But fear not, because everything you do on the new page automatically synchronizes with OneDrive. And if you come back to My Files, you'll find it there. The Personal Vault is a special folder in My Files. It is a protected section of your OneDrive cloud that affords you maximum security to store the most sensitive files that you have, media inclusive. Two-step verification is involved, and it automatically locks after it has been inactive for a maximum of 20 minutes. You can also access it from whatever device you log in to OneDrive, including mobile. Now, back to the main dashboard. The next link is the Recent link. Here you can find all of the files you've recently opened and modified. The next item on the main dashboard is the Photos link. As the name implies, this folder contains all of the photos you've uploaded onto your cloud. There's an image viewer built into the cloud space, so you can open photos directly from there. The photos are classified according to album, tags, and places. Next is a Shared section, where you can view the items you have shared or whose access you have granted to a third party. The final section is the Recycle bin, whose function is well known to anyone with knowledge of the most basic workings of a computer, mobile devices inclusive. OneDrive also allows you to upload files locally. Uploading is pretty straightforward. All you have to do is click on the upload icon and navigate through your device to the precise document or media you want to upload. Click on it and your file is safe and secure on the cloud. Next up is the Personal Vault. After clicking on it, you will be asked to submit an alternate email address or phone number, onto which a special verification code will be sent. After entering this code and going back to the default screen, the vault will be open. It is possible that you will receive an error message stating that the verification was unsuccessful. Once you reload the page, however, it reverts back to normal. You should note that the vault cannot hold all documents. The plan that you are on is the free plan, which offers you just 5 GB of storage. If you want more, you'll have to subscribe to any one of the business or premium plans. Be sure to go through the plans carefully by clicking on the Go Premium link and select the one that is most suited to your needs. There are at least 8 different plans available, so make sure you examine the features of each to help you properly decide on the best one for yourself. With a free plan, you can only upload a maximum of 3 files to the Personal Vault. At the top right corner of the main screen are 4 icons. The first is a link to Go Premium. The second is the Settings icon, where you can change your language and access various options such as notifications and device backups. By clicking on the third icon, you access your Microsoft OneDrive profile. You can also sign out of OneDrive from here. The fourth and final icon is the Help icon. It's shaped like a question mark, so you can't miss it. Here's an FAQ section with a list of questions such as what does it mean when your account is frozen, and fix OneDrive sync problems. In the same window, you can also contact support and report a concern. You'll notice that you have to double-click to open a file. If you click on the file just once, specifically the tiny circle at the top right corner of each file icon, a list of options appear at the top of the page. Open, share, download, delete, move to, copy, rename, embed, and version history. All of these options are writable or executable options that can be applied to any of the files. Using the tiny white circle, you can also mark multiple files and documents to be executed as you please. So, there you have it. OneDrive is literally at the tip of your finger. You can always refer back to this video if you have any issues setting up your OneDrive account or using OneDrive itself. Thanks for making it this far in our video. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more amazing videos just like this one.